To set up secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to click on security and privacy, scroll down until we find more security settings, and then you'll be able to find secure folder right here. If you click on it, then you can see introduction, read through it if you like, and if you're ready, click on continue. The same thing with permissions. And now we'll need to wait until our secure folder will be created. So this will take like 1 minute. So here we have the folder is already created. Now we need to choose the way that we'll use to access it. So you can go for PIN, password, pattern, fingerprint, and also you can allow to reset your secure folder access with your Samsung account. In this case, I'm just gonna go for a pattern and create a password that, as I said, we're gonna use to unlock secure folder. After that, I will allow the recovery and move to the next step. Now there's two options. You can choose what happens when secure folder is locked. That means if you lock your secure folder, it will close all apps while they are locked, or allow background activity while locked. That means the apps will remain open even when you lock a secure folder. So in this case, we're gonna go for close all apps while locked. And then we have our secure folder ready. If you want to manage it, you can click on the plus button to add different apps, or if you want to add files, click on the three dots and then select add files right here, and you can lock and exit as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.